mag-English test kami. Magtatanong muna ako. Kung sino makakasagot, bibigay kami. Alam ng bullying. Ano yung bullying?
Mga away.
Bukod sa nakaaway, meron pa ba kayong alam ano ang bullying?
Ano daw? Yan nga yung mga
Ano naman yung cyberbullying? Isa din siyang pambubuli pero ginagamitan siya ng teknolohiya or internet. Sa Facebook. Sino may Facebook dito? Ayan, may Facebook pala kayo lahat.
After gathering the students' insights on bullying and cyberbullying, we had them watch the video we had prepared.
Presenting Dalira Eskwela, a school to teach kids paano maging safe sa internet.
Hello mga bata! Hello mga daliri ng mga bata! Ako si Tom, and today ang lesson natin ay cyberbullying. Who likes being on Facebook? Like nyo ba ang Facebook? Ano mga nilalike nyo sa Facebook? Like ko mag-like! Pero minsan, nagiging down ako. Dahil sumusobra ang panunukso. Nagiging bullying na. Ano ba ang difference ng tuksuhan sa bullying? Pag between friends, pwede tuksuhan lang. Pero pag sumobra na, pag nakakasakit na ng damdamin, ang tawag dito ay cyberbullying.
Naintindihan nyo ba mga bata? Pwedeng magtawanan. Huwag lang magsakitan ng damdamin.
Like ko na ulit kayo. Like ko na ulit mag-internet at ang cyberbullying, thumbs down.
Ngayon, tatanungin ko na kayo ngayon. Ano yung cyberbullying?
After asking the students what they learned from the video, we conducted an activity where they mimicked facial expressions, shared when, where, and why they felt that way, and reflected on their takeaways through drawing and writing down their thoughts. After the activity, we recognized 3 students who stood out for sharing their knowledge and engaging with others. As a gesture of appreciation, we gave them some little presents. We also took photos with them and their advisor to commemorate the day. We thanked them for their valuable contributions and asked if they had learned something meaningful, hoping it would be useful for our future efforts and campaigns.